you have 5 minutes a day to manifest what you want? Do you want your result coming fast? If the answers are yes, watch this video. I'll show you what to do. Okay, let's start. I assume at this point you know what you want clearly. And if you don't worry. Watch my video on Get Clarity on the Want. The link is above and the link is in the description. After you know what you want, answer these questions. How do you know when you have what you want? What are the specific events to let you know you got what you want? What are the emotions that you have when you get what you want? What words or phrase that you might say to yourself when you have gotten what you want? And what tone of voice will you say to yourself? Where, when, and with whom do you have what you want with? When you have the answers for these questions, go ahead and close your eyes and imagine. Imagine the environment that goes with having everything you want. What are the people, things, and spaces around you when you have everything you want? And what would you act, think, or do? How would you walk? How do you carry yourself? How do you talk? How do you interact with others? What do you do? How do you spend your day? What are your new capability and ability now? What do you think about the world? What do you believe now? Does any of your belief change? Who are you now? How do you introduce yourself to others? What emotions do you have with these images? When you have these emotions, breathe into your belly and activate all your 5 senses. What does it look? What sound do you hear? What's other feeling? How about the taste and the smell? Activate all those senses with the emotions. Then integrate these emotions to your body, to every single cell in your body, from the top of your head to your toes. Stay there and feel the feelings. Remember them. Remember the new you when you open your eyes to start your new day. whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and just start your regular day. Do this for a week and come back and let me know how it is for you. If you think this video is helpful, comment below. Or if you are new to this channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification to get notified for my future video. I'll make about law of attractions and manifestations. I hope to share my experience and my learning so you don't have to spend time on that and focus more on your time on manifestation. Ta-ta for now and see you in the next video. Bye bye.